Next, we have the store penetration dashboard. This page helps track store-level sales performance and penetration by product launch date. It gives us a full view of how many stores received each item, when they started selling, and how well they performed in the first 8 weeks. At the top, we can quickly see which items launched when and how many stores they entered. And right below that, the pie and bar charts show the distribution of those store launches over time. One of the most useful features of this page is how interactive it is. For example, if I click on just one sales day in the pie chart, it automatically filters all the visuals on the page to show only stores that received products on that date. That makes it really easy to analyze specific launch groups, spot regional differences in the map, or troubleshoot store-level gaps. So this dashboard is especially helpful for understanding how product rollouts perform across different locations and how timing might impact early sales.
Moving on from store penetration, next is demographics. The demographics tab helps you identify which customer groups are buying an item or category at higher or lower rates. You can look at performance by age, education, income, and other traits. With this information, you can tailor your inventory and overall strategy accordingly. For example, if you notice that an item is selling best among older age brackets, you can change your marketing and display strategies to better target your older audience. Here we have promo viability. Promo viability helps you plan smarter promotions by estimating how effective a discount would be before you even run it. You can test different scenarios, adjust unit spend, and see how changes affect profitability and volume. It's built to help you customize plans for your business goals instead of just guessing and hoping for the best. Let's say you're planning a clearance promo. You can adjust the spend per unit to see what happens when you spend $17.99 on promos per unit. Here you can see how the forecasted sales, additional revenue, and net gain change when the promo spending is taken into account. Under promo viability is multi-week track. In this tab, you get a clear week-by-week view of how products are performing. It's an easy way to catch changes early and decide what needs attention. You can compare sell-through, on-hand, and more. For example, if sheets sold 1,200 units in week 1 but only 600 by week 4, and inventory didn't change, you might need to mark them down or shift them to better performing stores. Right under multi-week track is year-over-year track. Year-over-year track lets you compare this year's performance to the same period last year, showing sales units, dollars, average unit retail, and inventory on hand. It's a quick way to see how you're trending and whether changes in performance are backed by changes in inventory levels. Let's say you see sales are down compared to last year, but the tool also shows you're sitting on 30% less inventory. That context matters. Maybe you're not underperforming, you're just understocked. It helps shift the conversation from blame to strategy. Right below the year-over-year tab is the region tab. The region tool breaks down recent sales and inventory by geographic area across different programs. It shows unit sales and on-hand inventory over the past 8 weeks, helping you spot regional strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities to shift stock or adjust strategy. For example, you notice that the Bedding Basics program is performing strongly in the Midwest, but stores in that region have lower on-hand inventory than others. That early insight allows you to rebalance inventory and meet demand where it's growing fastest. Next, below region, we have ratios. Ratios helps you understand how different size and color variants are performing by comparing sales to available inventory. It's especially useful for categories where distribution by variant matters, which helps you avoid stockouts in some sizes while others sit unsold. Let's say the tool reveals that the queen size comforters are flying off the shelves while twin and king sizes are lagging. That insight helps you reallocate inventory or adjust future orders to match actual demand by size.